Hi everybody, it's me, Secret Creative Birdie, and today's Friday, March 9th, and I received a package, and I still haven't cleaned up from last night, from Pink Photographs, and she's actually live right now, so if you guys want to go, she sent me the little silver pieces. I collected silver pieces because I have ideas on what to do with them. Oh, that was cool. Oh, she sent me the moons. I wanted these moons. She has a video on how to make these moons out of clay. Oh, very nice. Look at all the silveries. She has an Etsy store, so she's done really well, or good enough, or well. Oh, look. Happy birthday. Those are the cutest I've ever seen in my life. Anyways, you can go check her out. She's live right now. Obviously, she'll be going live for a few hours. But what I'm saying is, if you were watching this video another day, let's say tonight at midnight, she won't be there. It is 5 in the evening, is it? It is 4 p.m. right now. So you might actually catch her for the next 3 hours. So it's 4 p.m. California time. Very cute. I love them. She goes live Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Today is the day. Make it happen. Very cool. Love that. That says for Jack. So I'll give that to Jack. Oh, another one. Look, where's my other one? Right here. I'm gonna hopefully make a Stacy collection. Believe in yourself. What? Wait, hang on. There's something from Trisha Paytas in here. You're fucking joking me, Stacy. I like Trisha Paytas. She's a nutball, but she's an actress at the same time, right? Oh, oh dear God. I'm afraid. Internet personality, YouTube. Trisha Paytas. I'm excited. There's Trisha. I love mine. Wait, I am pretty sure you guys know who Trisha is. She drives around in a pink Jeep here in California. Oh my God. What? I love this. I hate running. Hey, this shirt goes with the earrings that I told you I would wear. I love this. I wear this with a bikini top. And that on top. I love that, Stacy. Thank you. And you know how hot it gets here in the summertime. And I'll tell Trisha, thank you also. That is super cool. I'm fangirling over Trisha. Let me read what this says, because all I've seen is really Trisha. It says, Secret, my wife, happy birthday. Yes, this is really from Trisha Paytas. I ordered it, but didn't want to open it, so you would know if it's real. I thought you would get a kick out of it and wear it. I will get a kick out of it, and I will wear it, and I loved it. That is so cool. That's like such an original way to give somebody a gift. Stacy knows I watch Trisha Paytas. I like the drama. I don't know. There's just something about her. She is what I just said, an internet personality. I love it. Oh my God, I can't even believe it. You really thought out of the box for that one. That is so cool. I'm sweating now. Okay, I am off to go get some groceries. I don't know if it's cold outside or hot outside. I can't tell yet. But I'll put this on Jackie's bed. Thank you, Stacy. Hopefully we can talk tonight. Bye!